Back to the markets, please. My next guest became the youngest full-time female trader on the New York Stock Exchange when she was just 22 years of age. Lauren Simmons joins us now. Lauren, welcome to the show. You've been called the Wolfette of Wall Street. I want to know, what's the biggest factor for the market right now? Is it AI? Is it the Fed? Is it the election?
You know, it's all of those. Right now, there is a lot of volatility going on in the market. Certainly uncertainty going on with the election. This is earnings season, potential interest rates cuts. And then we also want to think about the context of rising bond yields. This is giving a lot of uncertainty to investors, but I certainly think that investors have been doing a good job at not being reactive to the news and really looking at their long-term plan and making sure that they are diversifying their portfolios so that there is no asset class in one that...
We've had a very nice rally. The Nasdaq hit an all-time intraday high today. The Dow is at a high. The S&P's been at a high. Why that rally? What's behind it?
I mean, I think the rally, again, all news, I don't like being reactive. I think today, yeah, we're up, but, you know, yesterday we were up and we closed down. So I think for me, I'm really just looking at what is to come in the next coming weeks and taking it day by day.
Okay, now the CEO of Morgan Stanley, he says the era of zero interest rates and zero inflation is over. Lauren, that's not what the markets want to hear, is it?
No, it's not. But I do believe that he is right in that sentiment. And, you know, just looking at, again, potential interest rate cuts in what the Feds are looking to do in the future, along with, and also just looking at the rising bond yields. The bond yields haven't gone down. And so that's also worrisome as to what is the future of the market.
Okay, Lauren Simmons, thanks for joining us this morning. We always appreciate it. Thank you very much.